Now let me discuss about some important composition of alkaline degreasers. Let me take up straight away. The H cleaner consists of sodium hydroxide, that is caustic solution or caustic soda. So you can take 5% weight by volume, that is it should be, you have to take a 5 gram and make it up to 100 ml. So this is called weight per volume percentage. Suppose if you have got an 100 liter means it should contain 5 kg. Okay, so likewise you have to calculate. So 5% means for 100 how much? Okay, so 5 gram for 100 ml. 50 gram for 1000 ml. Okay, so 1000 ml means 1 liter. Are you able to follow? And suppose if it is kg means 50 kg here, 1000 kg. So you can increase the quantity. So make it as a weight by percentage. I will let you know separately how to arrive at the concentration and how to express the concentration in different volumes also as a separate unit, so that you need not worry about all these percentages. Okay, I will tell you as a separate concept about how to arrive at the percentage concentrations and how to interchange all these things as a separate topic. Okay, right. Now, sodium hydroxide, we have to take 5% weight by volume. Remaining 98%, if it is weight means, then you can take water. So it is made up to water. And the temperature should be maintained between 40 and 60 degree Celsius. But here you can avoid the scale formation by using gluconovate. This is a special additive that is used for descaling. Okay, so you can add this important additive also. This is available in the market. Now let us go to the next formula. Here I am talking about the inhibited alkaline cleaner. We can use sodium carbonate 1.5%. Inhibited means restricted, so its reactions are restricted, so that you can avoid any that is alkaline pitting and erosion or corrosion also. And then sodium bicarbonate, this is called sodium bicarbonate, and it's also called sodium hydrogen carbonate. Do you understand? So sodium carbonate is Na2CO3, sodium bicarbonate also called sodium hydrogen carbonate, and this can be taken 1%. Then you can consider sodium polyphosphate, that is 0.3%. Okay, then you have got the surfactant. So it takes a very important role to emulsify the grease and the oil, and this surfactant preferably will be working in the alkaline condition, so you should go for alkaline wetting agents. Okay, then the bath should be mild steel tank. You can make use of a mild steel tank, and you can maintain at low temperature 20 to 40 degrees Celsius, and the duration is 5 minutes. Okay, right. And let us proceed with the third type of alkaline degreasing formula. So it will be more aggressive than this, and this is very aggressive, almost it's etching the surface. Okay, so you have to use it very cautiously. This H cleaner that consists essentially sodium hydroxide. Now the next inhibited alkaline, and a little bit more aggressive than this, more aggressive alkaline degreaser. So here we take sodium carbonate Na2CO3 at 2.5%. Here we have got 1.5, just increased that, and we have totally avoided sodium bicarbonate. Instead we are used to sodium silicate. This is called sodium silicate Na2SiO3, and you have to give 1% at least. Then you can include sodium polyphosphate 0.3%. These are all used as additives, and the surfactant also as 0.2%. And the temperature should be maintained at elevated temperature, in fact 50 to 80 degrees Celsius, and for 5 minutes you have to keep it in that condition, so that you can be sure of cleaning the components, metal components.